Hey guys, yazi ngibuke le story lesikanivana Nokwe noBongo Khoza, and at first I thought ukuthi angeke ngize ngikhulume ngale story lesi because of its sensitivity, but manje ngiyabona ukuthi no man, le story less is getting bigger each and every day, so I have to also post about it because everyone apparently is posting about it. Ngiqale ngabona kuqala the female actors ngabona bejumpa in Ayanda Borotho, Gabsile, Banban jumper in, showing their support to Bongo Khoza, and there are people who are also supporting Nivana, saying that she has every right to report this, or she has every right to say whatever that she said about Bongo Khoza. Now Bongo Khoza released a statement, Bomb Productions released a statement. Like, where's PCP? Just what I thought, no man, because this story is growing each and every day. Let me just create content about it and share with you guys who don't know what is happening with the story, some of the information. But before I even start with this video, I would like to request you guys to like it. And if you ain't subscribed to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scoring down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos. And I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So let us quickly get into the story. Yazi, ever since the each and every time when you scroll on social media, whether it's Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, or whatever, ngekwadlula amapost ayi-5 without seeing uBongo Khoza noNivana. Like, because their story is huge, and these are two celebrities that we love. I mean, I remember uNivana from Outlaws, Begimthanda Lab. Was she playing a character of Sihle? Yeah, I think she was playing Sihle. There ushintshene no balenganele, I forgot lo Sihle lo nomusha, but yeah, ubekade lapha mina ngimazela lapha. I think we all love her from the Outlaws because she killed that character. Yeah, now uNivana came out and said nayo into yenzekile while we were shooting Red Ink back in 2023 or 2024, back in 2023 or back in 2024. Ngathi ngithi siya act lapha noBongo Khoza. uBongo Khoza wenza into ongamelanga yenza, meaning that uNivana Nokwe felt uncomfortable with uBongo Khoza or with what uBongo Khoza did to her, meaning that she was sexually assaulted according to her. And then wonke umuntu was like, uBongo Khoza is a rapist. And then yadlula yonke lonto le ithi seyidlulile, sathi idlulile ewabuya uBongo Khoza nestatement. Awazosho uBongo Khoza ukuthi le story lesikahle kahle uNivana akaqali manje. Oh, by the way, uNivana wathi I quit acting, uhlweni acting, which is why I think abuyelana no-Outlaws and we never saw her on our screens ever again. So Bongo Khoza was like, bafethu asiqale le story lesimanje, story sakudala lesi, back in 2023. So after this whole thing happened, wahamba uNivana wayo-reported to the production company, which is iBomb, and then iBomb conducted their internal investigations. And then after that internal investigation, uBongo Khoza kwathiwa hayi akenzanga lutho, because according to uBongo Khoza uthi after uNivana reported wabizwa uBongo Khoza kwathiwa washo his side of the story, and then wasibeka side of the story sakhe uBongo Khoza. Side of the story sakhe ukuthi yena he followed the script, nanokuthi during the filming of that whole scene, so apparently during investigations, Bomb Productions went on to check the videos and all that stuff. But abasolanga lutho olokuthi uBongo Khoza khona into ayenzile. And that is why uNivana got pissed and decided to quit acting, because ama production companies are my favorites and all that stuff. Now ilonto le uthi uBongo Khoza uyasho ukuthi mina I followed the script, and then uNivana yena uthi uBongo Khoza went too far, because according to uNivana, what he said on Music Pulse with Utahi, Usfiso no Obalomfana not. So laphana uthi yena there was no penetration, meaning that akazange uBongo enze lutho olukhombisa ukuthi like he's raping her or something. What he did ukuthi ngoba uNivana wakade egqoke i-tight a-bum short. So apparently uBongo Khoza kushuthi his private part or a private part kaBongo Khoza was too close to Nivana's private part, or to Nivana's private part. So that made her uncomfortable, and apparently that is not what the script wanted. uBongo Khoza and I went beyond what was expected of him to do. Ngathi into cishe ifana ibe njalo. So uBongo Khoza will protect. NeBomb Productions nayo, they had to come in. Ba-comment ukuthi no, thina sasikade sikhulumile lento lena, wonke umuntu ayekade khona during the filming of this, and then everything went according to what we planned it. So lento show uNivana siyayibona yona, but asange sithole lutho during our investigation, meaning that investigation supported uBongo Khoza. That is why uNirvana Nongwe got pissed. Now, ayipheli lapho yonke lento lena iyaqhubeka, because after that whole situation, like yonke lento le phumile khulunywa ngayo on social media and everywhere, there are female actors who are coming out to say that we are behind you, Bongo Khoza. Like Ayanda Buroto, we know her for being this feminist, or female advocacy, whatever. So Ayanda Buroto came out to say, I support you, Bongo Khoza. I think that is because she has worked with Bongo Khoza and she understands Bongo Khoza and she knows what Bongo Khoza is not someone who would do such a thing. Kama Bongo Kapsile, like baningi and angazi manje, it's confusing ukuthi isenze njani. Ingaba kungenzeka yini ukuthi uNirvana is lying, or kungenzeka yini ukuthi uBongo Khoza did this, and because uthandwa wonke umuntu, so abantu are hiding this whole thing and pretending like it has never happened. So angazi guys, that is why I decided to create this video. It's no man. Comment down in the comment section. Nishare ukuthi nagazi ngicabangani about all of this, and yeah, should ahlala khona guys in the comment section. Ngingakhuluma kakhulu izinto engingazazi nami. Yeah, let's discuss this whole thing there in the comment section. So share your thoughts, share your opinions about this, and uma uthi enjoy the content, press the like button, and don't forget to share this video on your social medias like your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok, guys. And all of that being said, this is the end of this video. So thanks so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.